Okay, what about a few wild predictions for discoveries over the next few years?
Okay, well, predictions. I'd like to know what dark matter is. I think dark energy is a long way off, but dark matter, the guys at CERN with the particle accelerator, the Large Hadron Collider, LHC, I'd love them to find us a dark matter particle. I think they could do that. It'd be great to know what that missing 25% of the universe is. There's a reasonable chance they'll do that. That would make a lot of astronomers happy. But if you really want to get to the crunch of things, what's really important for mankind, it's got to be life beyond our solar system. And there's a chance in the next 20 or 30 years that ultra high resolution spectrographs in orbit will be able to measure light going through the atmospheres of distant planets, analyze it, and find the atmosphere of a distant planet that's got chemical evidence of life, whether it's oxygen or chlorophyll, whatever. Forget ET. This is the chemistry. The chemistry showing there's life. Any sort of life will be revealed by the chemistry, and I'd like to live long enough to see that happen.
Yeah.
But we're not the only life in the universe.
Me too. Now, I guess going back to your previous question, I guess Michael Moore might actually be interested in actually trying to actually put out perhaps a video on "Hey dude, give me my universe back," just because there's 25% of it missing at least. So I'll see what he says about that.
Okay.
Now, if
hey, it keeps me employed. There's so much missing. It's lots of justification to keep us astronomers working on the problem.
That's right. It's a work incentive scheme. Now, for further reading, where can listeners actually find some more information about all this stuff we've been talking about?
The simplest thing is if you Google WiggleZ Survey. WiggleZ is one word, WIGGLEZ, and then survey, you'll get to our public homepage where we have links to a couple of articles that are relatively general purpose and relatively easy to understand. That's the main point I'd recommend, and take it from there.
Okay, thank you very much. I'll put some notes and links in the show notes just to follow up on. And I would like to actually thank you very much, Professor Drinkwater, for being with us. I'm sure we're going to actually follow your project with interest, and possibly further projects, and maybe have you back on the show again and catch up on some of the answers and speculations that you've shared with us today. So thank you very much.
That's a great pleasure, Neil.
Thank you. Bye.